In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily lock your WhatsApp chats. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started with the video. So for the first step is that you're going to head over to WhatsApp. Once you're on WhatsApp, long press the contact you'd like to hide. So in this case, I want to hide this contact right over here. So I'm going to long press on it and click on these three dots right over here. Once you click on those three dots, select the lock chat option. Once you click on the lock chat option, it's going to ask you if you want to continue. Click on the continue button, then insert your phone password. Once you insert your phone password, click on the continue button. So as you can see, it has hidden your WhatsApp chat. So what you're going to do now is that if you want to access your hidden chat, you want to click on the logged chats option and then insert your phone password. Once you insert your phone password, click on the continue button and you should be able to see your logged chat. So that's how you can easily lock your chats on WhatsApp. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and don't forget to share this video.